Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I had to fight with myself to finally put the Wendy's meal down, so this better be good. But shout out to TCL because they actually just sent me a TCL 10 5G UW here, as you can see here. So we're gonna go and unbox this thing, check out what's up in here. So let's just get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here at the legendary unboxing table, as you can see here, but FedEx and Uber Eats actually showed up around the same exact time, so it was a little bit of a fight to finally get me to put down the food. I was like, Latrell, you gotta unbox this thing sometime, so now I'm here. I got my chicken nuggets getting cold over there with my sauce, but we're gonna go and unbox this thing. So again, shout out to TCL for actually sending this out to me. I reached out to them on Twitter, so now here we are. And it actually came with this paper wrapping here, as you can see here, so I thought that was a pretty nice touch. Anyways, we got TCL 10 5G ultra wideband here on the front with display greatness here at the bottom. And let's just go and check this thing out real quick. So there's really nothing else here in this box. So let's go ahead and open this up. And there we go. I think we have more stuff in here. Okay, we do. So we got a little pamphlet here with Verizon and everything like that. I think it's just kind of like a user manual in a way. So yeah, I mean, pretty much what I just said, the power of 5G for everyone. So yeah, that's pretty much that. And now let's go ahead and get this up out of here. Oh, wow. So we got a decent amount of stuff up in here. So we got a TCL cleaning cloth in here. Okay, that's pretty interesting. I like that. I like that. This is decent. And then we actually got a case here by spec for our TCL 10 5G. So that's nice too. Anyways, let's just go ahead and open this up here, and there we go. So we got our TCL 10 5G UW. So that's what you're gonna get when you order this thing. And that's pretty much it inside the box. So nice unboxing experience, TCL. Anyways, let's go and look around this thing. So we got TCL 10 5G UW with the phone here on the front, and then on the right side we just got some info here. So we got 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor, 48 megapixel camera, 128 gigs of storage with 6 gigs of RAM. We got a 4500 milliamp hour fast charging battery with a 5G modem. On the left side we don't got nothing. On the bottom we just got my phone info. Top we got display greatness, and like I said, the back. So let's just go and get into this thing. So opening this up for the first time, I've never tried a TCL phone before, but here we go. There's our TCL 10 5G. So let's just go ahead and take this up out the box. So here it is. Okay then, so let's go and just peel this off real quick. All right, there we go. So here is our TCL, man. That looks like a nice color. I'm liking that. So you can see how the colors change here on the back. So I'm really feeling that. And as you can see here, we have this different pattern here on the back. So that's pretty interesting. And we have a lot of cameras on here. So we got the TCL logo with a fingerprint scanner. And then we got the cameras here with some info here in the back, like what the specs are for the camera. And then we got a Verizon 5G logo here at the back. But on the left side, we have our SIM and or SD card tray. So I'm going to go and check that out and see if it supports an SD card. On the front, we got a 6.5-inch display with a hole punch in the earpiece. On the right side, we got a power button and our volume rockers. At the top, we actually got a headphone jack, so that's really nice with a microphone. And then at the bottom, we have our USB-C port with our speaker, and then I assume another microphone. So let's go and turn that thing on right there, and let's go and look in the rest of the box here. So it looks like right here, we got that hello Verizon screen there. Okay, then that's normal. But looking more here in the box, it looks like we have our user manual, so you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side. And then we got a tool here for our tray. Looking more in the box, if we go and pull this up here, we actually have here, what is this? I think these are some headphones. Actually, no, it's a charger. So that's actually pretty dope. We got a braided cable here, but it's USB-A to USB-C, not USB-C to USB-C. So I'm not really feeling that much. And then as you can see here, we have our fast charging brick. All right, so that was pretty much it inside the box. So let's just go ahead and set this thing up real quick. And this is just what it looks like here in the front, by the way. So you can see here, we have a little bit of a bezel here, but I'm not really too concerned about that. But I'm about to go and set this thing up real quick, and then I'll get back to y'all.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Alright y'all, so we are done here with the setup. So a few things I want to go and point out first. Number one, this is really weird. I didn't even put in my SIM card or anything in this, but I got a call from Massachusetts and I just got this phone, so I'm not really sure what's up with that. Two, my chicken nuggets are kind of cold, so I'm kind of pressed about that. And three, this thing has a pretty nice vibration motor that I noticed when I was typing on here, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, as you can see there, Massachusetts, not really sure what's up with that. But yeah, anyways, it's the phone, so it got a decent amount of weight, so I'm not really sure if I'm feeling that so far, but I mean, it's not bad at all. It's alright. But we're gonna have to go and play with this phone some more. But let's go and check out this case real quick, and then I'm gonna go and get out of here. So let's just go and slide that out real quick, and then we can just go ahead and get this case out of there. There we go, just that quickly. If I go and slap this on here, which I will clean the phone later, don't worry about that. There we go. As you can see here, now we have a transparent case here on our TCL 10 Pro, so that's nice. So I can protect this thing from scratches and drops and things like that, so that's pretty nice. But there's no pre-installed screen protector on here, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get out of here, y'all. So I would take some pictures and videos on this thing to go and test it out, but it's been kind of raining all day and really all week, so it's just been kind of depressing. And I'm not trying to go out in the rain just to take some pictures. So I'm gonna do that when it clears up outside, because for one, it's gonna be raining all day. Two, like I said, I'm not trying to go out in the rain. And three, it gets dark really quickly now, as you probably know. But thanks for watching, y'all. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at ECentech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And I just made me a TikTok account, so go and follow me at ECentech on there too. But again, thank you for TCL for sending this out to me. I really appreciate y'all. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.